locked in by cloud cover. Things will stay pretty locked in cloud cover as we take you through your Sunday. It's one of the days where I like to say to make your own kind of sunshine. Temperatures, though, this morning are actually where our average highs should be this time of the year. So we're in the upper 30s, closer to 40. And then we have on top of it a few spotty showers. There's still a whole lot of moisture present in the atmosphere. You're going to notice it as soon as you step out the door. If you're a curly girl like myself, your hair might even expand a little bit because of the moisture that's still in place. Today's high, 50 degrees. A few showers still around, but very mild for early January. Again, we should be in the mid to upper 30s. We are exceeding that, and we'll continue to do so for at least the next couple of days. We do have some dense fog alerts, especially as you get closer to Columbus. So yes, southern Ohio does include themselves in some of these alerts this morning. No one here in Northeast Ohio, but if you have travel plans, especially even through the states, farther south, just know you might run into some reduction in visibility. I want to point out, though, the current alerts a little bit farther to the west because our next system is just brewing out near California, and this is the path it's set to take. Actually, it's going to bring some winter weather through parts of the Central Plain states all the way up to Minnesota and Wisconsin. So right now it's just starting to gain some speed and energy with it. This has brought very, very high amounts of rainfall to California. The Four Corners region will continue to see some high amounts of snowfall too. As this continues to progress, your National Zymerk kind of big picture system, watch this area of low pressure as it swings a little bit closer to us. In the days to come, as the system is just parked through the Central Plain states, this actually grabs some moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. So preceding this, we get a whole lot warmer. So if you thought 50 was all we're going to do this week, we do warmer tomorrow, and we're in the mid 60s by Tuesday. And that's when the rain starts to arrive for us. So it's just in the vicinity to our immediate west. The cold, though, sector of it all is producing some of the snowfall where I mentioned where the alerts are. This starts to wrap around. We are blanketed by rainfall by Tuesday. I actually think with this cold front sweeping on through, we see some gusty winds as well. And then behind it, we actually have a chance to see some flurries, a few snow showers come Thursday, even lingering into Friday. That won't be here and it won't last all too long, but a little bit more festive for this time of the year and fitting as the mid 60s, or as if we feel a little bit more like we're in March. I've zoomed you ahead now. This is 5 p.m. tomorrow night. Clouds are still with us, but the rain starts to develop in a closer look for you. Some scattered showers by about midnight, Monday into Tuesday. And here is blanketing rainfall for that Tuesday morning commute, I should say. And we have intense pockets of rainfall here. I think we could even squeeze out maybe a rumble of thunder or two. In your Union Home Mortgage extended forecast, we stay in the 50s for the next 48 hours. Our high on Tuesday, 65 degrees. We're back in the 50s and falling for Wednesday. 30s. It's like nothing ever happened as we approach Thursday with that chance of a few flurries around. Brianna.
Thank you, Peyton. Time now is 7:17.